Guys, how's everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing good. So today I have something different for you guys. It's a folding knife, a black folding knife. Let's get into it. So this is available in Qatar for a sale for 65 reals only. Look at it. It got double safety lock, quick open button, and it's very sharp. Look at it. Oh my god. Look at it. You put it in safety lock, it's not going to open. When you're camping or something, it won't open. Look, now I put the safety lock off. There you go. You can also hang it in your pants or something. See, it's so good. This knife is actually good. Look at it. Wow. And it's very sharp too. You know, it's handy while camping, going to the desert or places. It's a very heavy duty knife made for serious business. Serious. Oh, I almost cut myself like that. Yeah, you can hang it in your belt, hang it in your pants or a trouser. It got this. Yeah, that's it guys. See you guys in the next video.